Good evening, everyone. Welcome aboard Empresarios en Ruta. Today we're here with Dr. Giselle Pons from Resilience Orthopedics. Thank you for coming, and it's an honor to have you aboard.
Thank you for having me.
Tell us a little bit about you. The viewers are dying to know, who is this doctor? She's beautiful. What do you do for a living? How can you help our viewers? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Thank you so much for the beautiful introduction. So I'm a doctor of nursing practice. I opened up my practice 6 months ago today. I do regenerative orthopedics, and I'm basically a disruptor in my specialty. I'm making treatments accessible in orthopedics. Basically, the treatments that are not covered by insurance, I'm making it accessible to the community.
In what way?
By making the affordability within reach for people. So what happens in orthopedics, because these treatments are considered experimental and most insurances don't cover it, what happens with most orthopedic practices is that the treatments are costly, and it gives the orthopedic offices the leverage to charge whatever they want. So this creates a huge disparity and a lot of variability between the orthopedic practices. And you try to get a PRP injection, and it can cost you between $800 to $1,000. I've had patients that pay $2,000 or $3,000 for an injection. And like I said, there's other issues in orthopedics that I'm also addressing. That also has to do with, proper injection technique, using an ultrasound, being able to, diagnose and treat it adequately. And I'm basically just interrupting that issue, making it accessible.
That's amazing. Where are you located?
I'm in Miami Lakes.
Miami Lakes, and hopefully growing to more places soon, because that kind of service is very expensive.
It's very needed, yeah.
And some insurances don't cover it.
Yeah, basically no insurance covers it. I mean, the only thing that insurance pretty much covers with what I do is maybe just about a steroid injection. That's about it. But if somebody needs plasma, they don't cover it. If somebody needs hyaluronic acid injections, meaning if you have like end-stage knee arthritis, that you're bone on bone and you need the lubrication for the joint, they don't cover it. Some insurances might cover it, but what happens is that you have to go through like a long process of approval. You have to, fail conservative treatments with like physical therapy. And then if they cover it, a lot of times people have a deductible. So they say they cover it, but you still have to come out of pocket.
That's amazing.
Yeah. I also do shockwave therapy, and I also do focal cryotherapy, which are basically adjunct treatments that you do for pain relief into joints as well.
Where can they reach you? If they want more information, do you have a website?
I do have a website. It's resilienceo305.com. My Instagram, the same thing, is resilienceo305. Very Miami Vice theme. I named it Resilience Orthopedics because it's strong and robust, and I want to embed resilience in all my patients. And I'm located in Miami Lakes. My telephone number is 305-250-1351. And I'm actually one of the few orthopedic practices that are open half day on Saturdays. So if you have an issue with your knee, your shoulder, elbow, foot, anything like that, and you need something, I'm there on Saturdays. I mean, there's really nobody else that's open on a Saturday.
And what is your schedule on the weekdays?
During the weekdays, because I am a new practice, I still do work my regular job in orthopedics. So my regular job is usually from like 8 to like 2 p.m. roughly. And then my business hours are right now a little skewed. So from like 4 to 8 p.m.
That's great.
And then on Saturdays from 8 in the morning to about 12, 1 o'clock.
Many people work and they don't have the time. So being that you close at 8 o'clock is very convenient.
So it's very convenient.
Okay, so we'll drop a link with your information. Thank you for being aboard of Empresarios en Ruta. It's been a pleasure having you aboard.
Thank you. Appreciate it.